Jay?
Okay.
So ready to shop?
Yep.
Okay, come on. Because this is Pack and Save where all New Zealanders shop their food. There's Countdown as well, but apparently Pack and Save is a bit more cheaper. So Jay is trying to make 3-course meal with $50 to $60. The theme is Greek. So Jay, what mark are you up to? How much have you spent so far? How are you gonna buy the meat?
$30.
Are you still within the budget, Jay?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you gonna buy with $5?
Beef mince.
Beef mince. Okay, cool, let's go.
Yeah.
How much did it come out?
49.06.
Let's zoom on that.
49.
Oh, 49, right on target.
Whoa.
Okay, so cost effectiveness
Extra
wise.
points.
Okay, sure. So we've done this shopping.
Let's go and cook.
No, we've done this shopping on New Year's Eve.
Come on, hurry up.
So he's gonna cook tomorrow.
This is going to be the base of our dishes. Cooking 3-course meal with Dr. J. It's New Year's Day. And we've got diced meat.
Oh, wait.
You're gonna find out what it's going to be made in. Wow. Okay. Good job. Let's do it.
Okay. How's it going, Dr. J?
Some things are working. Some things are not working.
Okay. So how long do you think the whole thing will take?
Probably another 30 minutes.
Okay, cool. Roger that. It's 7:46 now. How's it going?
Oh my gosh. You again.
Sorry, am I hassling you too much?
Yeah.
Is it working? Are you burning things? House on fire?
Yeah, I burned some tomatoes.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Is it beer time?
I need a beer.
Beer time!
I need a drink.
Sorry, we've got no drink at home. I'm hungry.
I've got a sharp knife.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
Am I able to eat some food tonight?
Yeah.
That looks like a lasagna in a way. I don't know what it is. And he's making some sort of wrap. And he's just putting some mushrooms on it. Obviously it's some sort of kebab, I guess. Isn't it weird that we are watching weight loss Netflix while we are making these meals? Jay, it looks like you're almost done. How are you doing?
Too much food.
Jay seems very stressed. I don't think he can work at a restaurant as a chef. It's his first time making 3-course meals, so he's pretty stressed. So he's putting in the beef now. So protein, eh? Look at that juice.
Okay, hi. We've got the food. We didn't get to 3rd course yet. Course number 1, we have a moussaka made by me. And no, this is the moussaka.
Oh, sorry.
Jamie Oliver's recipe. So we have on top a layer of bechamel sauce, a little bit over brown there, and then just behind that is a layer of beef, and then minced beef, and then behind that is a layer of eggplant, and then behind that is potato.
Oh,
so we're
okay.
gonna taste that. 2nd course that we have here is Greek kebab. So there's a wrap underneath, and there's a bed of courgette noodles. We have some nuts sprinkled over with eggplants, courgettes again, and we have a mixture of beef infused with garlic and sun-dried tomatoes. And on top we have a layer of different variety of sauces. We have the sweet chili, cream cheese, as well as the cucumber Greek tzatziki, of course. And on top we have some braised garlic and sun-dried tomato again, and we have the same here. And so ready to dig in.
Okay,
I'm
so
very stressed.
Yeah, so Jay has been very stressed, and now we're gonna eat, and I will be the judge. We've got 5 criteria which we'll discuss later on, and we'll see who's the winner. So bon appetit.
Hello,
Hi.
this is Nurse Dianna.
Okay, so I'm just about to dig into Jay's moussaka, was it?
Moussaka.
I've actually never tried moussaka, so I don't know what it will taste like, but apparently it's Jamie Oliver's recipe, so...
Interesting.
Is it supposed to be like a lasagna?
Yes.
And the top was...
Bechamel sauce.
Is it supposed to be sweet or salty?
Salty.
Okay, right, then... Okay, so basically it tastes like lasagna, but it's got more creamy layer because of the bechamel sauce.
Bechamel.
Bechamel sauce. So it's more creamy. Slightly saltiness of the meat does come in. It's a bit like bland in a way because grapefruit is quite bland, but it's actually quite nice. But to be fair, I can't really tell what's so interesting about this, but really good.
The interesting is that it's edible.
Yeah,
yes.
It's actually edible. I was actually worried because it looks quite brown at the top, but edible, it's healthy, wholesome, on point.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna dig into Jay's special wrap, which is beef, was it?
Yes.
Okay. I am not really a wrap person, so I will just kind of have it in a deconstructed way. So, oh my god, how am I gonna eat this in one bite?
And then just wrap it like once you've cut it.
And I'm gonna grab some meat. Part of all of flavors here.
Yeah.
I love the combination of chili cream cheese
Yeah.
with cucumber tzatziki.
Yeah.
Gives the freshness and the kick of sweet chili. Always works really good. Beef is, to be honest, a bit chewy, hard to chew, but still well cooked. And mushroom and garlic and sun-dried tomato, it all blends in beautifully. So it kind of tastes like those traditional Greek wraps, but with more, not fusion, but more modern taste to it. Tastes definitely healthy, and I'm very impressed with your combination of all the ingredients. Oh, by the way, the garlic and the nut gives the crunchiness, so it's not like smushy wrap.
Okay.
Really good.
Good.
Yes.
All right.
So Jay, you try it as well.
Okay.
This is day 2 because Jay was quite stressed last time making the main and appetizer, so he decided to make dessert today. Okay, so Jay, do you want to explain what this dessert is?
Greek rice pudding with vanilla ice cream and cinnamon and cocoa on top. Okay. Come on.
So I'm gonna eat this now. Visual wise, it looks a bit slimy, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, the cinnamon is right on your face.
Yes.
The rice pudding is actually quite good.
The ice cream? It's just ice cream.
If you made it along with the rice pudding, I think it would be better. Because if you sprinkle up at the top, it just gives too much on your face. But it's good, but I think the presentation is a bit ugly.